Slavery as Doctrine in Early Mormon Leadership. Brigham Young's public rhetoric on race leaves little ambiguity about his views, revealing an explicit theological defense of black servitude rather than a reluctant accommodation to 19th-century norms. In an 1855 interview, Brigham Young rejected any notion that he opposed slavery, declaring,
"You must not think from what I say that I am opposed to slavery. No, the Negro is damned and is to serve his master till God chooses to remove the curse of Ham."
By grounding permanent subjugation in divine decree, Young framed racial hierarchy as immutable and God-ordained. The statement exposes the extent to which early LDS leadership fused theology, race, and power, treating enslavement not as a moral problem but as sacred obligation.